Assalamualaikum teman-teman. Kali ini saya mau bahas tentang gate 34. Gate 34 is the gate of power ya, dan ada di sakral. Makanya ini path-nya it's a sacral flow towards independence and self-empowerment ya. Jadi posisinya ada di sini dan this is a manifesting energy channel. Kenapa? Karena grounding gate-nya adalah G20. Jadi 34 terhubung langsung dengan gate 20 and this creates a manifesting generator. Jadi semua yang lahir di transit ini 341 sampai 346 ya sun gate-nya sudah pasti adalah manifesting generator. Nah, what is special about this energy adalah kita semua mau yang projector, reflektor, manifestor, you will all feel the sacral energy and this manifestation energy atau this in the now energy dari gate 20. Nah, gate 34 itu apa? Gate 34 biasanya disebut dengan the gate of power, tapi basically power ini artinya apa? It's your life force. It is an instinctive knowing of what needs to be done atau how you can use your sacral, your life force, ya. Jadi ini bukan power for other people. Artinya this is not about empowering other people. This is about empowering yourself karena tujuannya adalah to individualize. Artinya understanding what you came here for, what is your uniqueness, and that's what you're going to work on. Nah, gate 20 is the gate of the now. Gate 20 ini sebenarnya doesn't have specific type of expression, yeah, but it is always grounded in clarity of action. Karena dia akan terhubung dengan gate 10, 34 atau 57. Dan for this transit dia terhubung dengan gate 34 which is knowing what action to take in the now. Nah, shadow dari G20 adalah overwhelm atau scattered mind ya. Aku dulu cukup ungrounded setiap kali G20 ini nyala, apalagi kalau sun gate-nya yang di 20 gitu. Aku selalu ngerasa bahwa apa ya, there's so much to do, I want to do a lot of things, tapi aku nggak bisa duduk dan fokus gitu untuk menyelesaikan semua itu karena I feel that in the now, in the moment, there is always a lot of things running after me. Okay? Nah, as I started to become more mindful and to integrate this energy more, this is where I was able to unlock the clarity of how I can use the sacral power ya. Karena secara natal saya nggak punya G20. Jadi kalau buat yang nggak punya G20 atau yang projector, manifestor, reflektor dan sekarang tiba-tiba energi ini dengan dua energi center nyala, this can be somehow shocking gitu kayak wow, I have so much energy and I want to do everything ya. But if you don't have the sacral, don't force yourself ya, karena shadow dari gate ini adalah force. When you feel that okay, I have the energy and I can do anything I put my mind into, lalu you end up over exerting yourself, memaksa diri untuk melakukan sesuatu yang sebenarnya not aligned ya. Jadi gift ya dari transit kali ini is actually giving you this clarity and this understanding of your sacral flavor. Artinya knowing what is right for you. This is understanding your own strength. Where does it come from? Ya, and it needs to come from your self-assuredness. Karena G20 is in the now. Artinya if you don't get it in the now, it's gone. Basically that, ya. So you have to be present in order to attain that clarity, understand that flow ya of your sacral, ya. Dan shadow-nya adalah self-effacing, bullish. Sebenarnya shadow-nya adalah force ya dan superficiality. Superficiality artinya apa? Yang tadi saya ceritakan bahwa setiap G20 itu nyala karena saya punya G34, I always feel that I need to do a lot of things. I end up doing a lot of things, tapi they are superficial. They're not deep in essence gitu. Why? Because I was running on this external battery, yaitu transit itu. Nah, ini the type of victimhood yang ada di G34 is self-effacing atau bullish. Self-effacing is when you are unable to hold your own power, understand where you are coming from, how can you have this strength and this majesty in you, how to tame the beast inside of you, ya. Kenapa? Karena the other expressive shadow dari G34 is the bullish. Bullish itu artinya apa? Ya bullying. Because you know you're strong, you know you have the strength, akhirnya kita membuli orang lain. Akhirnya orang lain yang mungkin um, apa ya, nggak bisa melakukan hal-hal yang kita lakukan, lalu we look at them in contempt gitu. Jadi bully ini nggak harus physical bully, but it can be emotional bully or mental bully, okay? Dan this is part of the Codon Ring of Destiny, G34 dan 43. 43 ini transit beberapa minggu lalu, dan 4323 is also a very significant channel. Kalau belum nonton videonya, silahkan ditonton. But I think that the message in here, that in order for you to know where is your force, where is your power, yeah, you need to be centered in your inner knowing. Karena 43 itu is part of that third eye ya, ini di human design. Okay, so this is superficiality and force, and having that self assuredness is your strength, understanding where you're coming from. Nah, tadi apa namanya, saya sampaikan bahwa gate 34 ini bisa terhubung dengan 3 gate lainnya selain gate 20, gate 10 dan gate 57. Basically 57 is about intuitive clarity, ini ada di spleen, 10 di identity center ya, and they are both can give a certain type of flavor to you. Kayak misalnya if you have gate 57 di transit ini, you will understand this life force through your intuitive clarity. Dan kalau if you have gate 10, selama transit ini, you'll understand how you need to behave, what actions you need to take, what habits you need to implement, ya, during this transit. Okay? Nah, tapi masing-masing, of course, they have their own shadow, ya. Ini saya udah bahas sebenarnya shadownya pada saat membahas gate 57. So this is part, atau this is the integration and the centering circuit. Integration and centering itu apa? This is understanding your own power, your own charisma, and your own conviction. Yeah, coming to center to yourself. Okay, so force, strength, majesty. So bedanya apa force and strength? Force is when you always say that, ya, memaksakan keadaan, atau when you just simply say that I will try, gitu ya. Atau even trying but you don't do your best, okay? Tapi force is also when you exert too much effort and make it hard, make it complex, yeah? When strength is actually what comes easy to you. Strength is actually what you can do better than other people, yeah? And you can give that gift to other people as well, yeah? Jadi, that is your personal power basically, ya. Ini, dan itu kenapa ini bagian dari Codon Ring of Destiny, because that is part of how you can fill other people's cup once your own is overflowing. Oke, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and happy transit.